Today we'll walk you through the steps on how to add money to your PayPal app. Whether you're topping up your balance for online shopping or sending money to friends, this guide will cover everything you need to know, including any fees, how long it takes, and the different methods you can use. First, open the PayPal app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged in. Once you're on the main screen, tap on your PayPal balance. In your balance section, you'll see an option to add money. Tap on it, and you'll be presented with several options to add funds to your PayPal account. You can add money to PayPal using various methods. First is a bank transfer. You can link your bank account to PayPal and transfer funds directly. Typically, there are no fees for transferring money from a bank. They usually take 3 to 5 business days. You can add money to PayPal through a credit or debit card. PayPal charges a fee, around 2.9% plus a fixed fee depending on the currency, if you add funds via a credit card. Debit cards may not incur fees, but are subject to availability. Your funds will, however, be available immediately. You can also use cash at retail locations, for example Walmart. Visit a participating store like Walmart and add money to your PayPal account at the register. Typically there's a service fee, often around $3.95. Funds are usually available within minutes. After selecting your method, enter the amount you want to add and confirm the transfer. PayPal will display any applicable fees and the expected time for the funds to be available in your account. Once the transaction is completed, you can see your updated balance in the PayPal app. If you've chosen a method that takes several days, check back periodically to ensure the funds have been added. If they haven't, contact customer support on the app or website. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.